You know, babe, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing. And it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you were. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're the star. Where you go.
Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new vlog. I'm currently looking like a glazed donut. I've just done my skincare. I'm about to change out of this dressing gown and put on something so I can get ready for the day. I have a few things planned for today. Well, today's kind of like a content day. I have a lot of content to film and I also have a lot of laundry and cleaning to do, but I'm kind of like filming content around the things that I'm doing just so I can get to the things that I'm doing and also create content out of it, because everything is content. So that's kind of like the plan for today. But for now, I need to switch out of these clothes, eat some breakfast before I start jumping into any form of creating content or anything, because I realize that sometimes it does happen, when you have an idea or something, you just jump to it and jump straight into working and stuff, and you kind of forget to eat. So I want to make sure that I take care of myself in that sense, eat my breakfast. I've done my skincare already as well. I'm also creating a video on how I kind of batch create content and come up with ideas, like a behind the scenes of me actually creating the content. So if that's something that you guys want to see as well, I'm not too sure if I'm gonna post it before or after this video. I will leave it linked, or just turn on the post notification just so when I post that one, you are notified of the upload. Also need to see if I can do something to my hair today. I'm going to braid them back and I'm going to film that process as well. Just some really simple braid back, just so it can serve me for the week, because I didn't really get to buy a little bit more braid, so I can do a knotless braid or something. I've just changed into this bodysuit and put on some joggers, something a little bit comfy. I got the cutest set from Logitech, and it's honestly so good, and because it's so useful as well. It's a really big box and I find it literally so useful. They sent it to me for Valentine's Day. This is their webcam, which I think is just so cute. Everything in there is pink. I got a bunch of nail polish as well. Again, it's pink. I think the nail polish, it comes with top coat, a pink nail polish, and then a base coat, which is really nice. And then you have this headset, which I'm gonna find so much useful for work. Then you have the keyboard as well, which looks like this, the keyboard and the mouse. Let me see if I can take it out and show you. This is what it looks like. And then the keyboard, how freaking pretty. I love the keys on this. Oh, love the way the keys feel on this. And then you have the mouse, which is so great. This will work on my actual work laptop, but in terms of my Apple, I don't think it will work. But the Apple doesn't really have attachment to the side, the Mac. So this is what the keyboard looks like. I already feel it under my hand and it feels so good. This is basically what the inside of the box looks like. I also got some foundation, which is also skincare. I got it from It Cosmetics. I did get one before, but I didn't pick my right shade. They sent me their new Nude Glow, and they also sent me one of the one that I already have as well. So I have another one that is probably gonna fit me a bit better. I did try on my hand and it's a lot better, and they're skincare in it as well. I also have one of this brush, but they sent me another one, which is so great. So I can't wait to try this.
No matter how far, if life is a movie, you're the best part. You're the best part. Best part is the sunrise and those brown eyes. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love.
So breakfast is ready. I basically have, I need to go and grab some sauce. My bacon, egg, I have one slice of toast because that's all I had left in the fridge. So I have a slice of cheese on that one toast, and I'm gonna make a half sandwich and then just eat the rest like that. And then I just have a cup of peppermint tea. Ooh, this is hot. Wow, shit. Ooh. This wasn't the right way to hold it, is it? That's why we have handle on the cups. I'm currently braiding my hair. I'm also filming the process, and I was doing like the behind the scenes video as well. But this is how far I reach. Honestly, I don't know how the back looks. Maybe you can have a look. This is the first time we're looking together, okay? You're not allowed to judge. I don't know how the back looks. I don't know if I'm parting it right, but I'm trying my best. The front looks alright. I'm gonna do like some edges, and the plan is to basically just wrap this around the back and have it like this, and probably change my earrings as well, wear some different earrings. So yeah, I have about 2 left, so I'm just gonna like braid up these 2. I'm also doing like a load of laundry as well. Once I'm done this, I also want to just get it straight into doing the rest of the things that I need to do. I'm also watching like a podcast on YouTube as well. This is the hair that I'm using to braid my hair. To be fair, I don't think I need any more than what I have laid out on here. I do have my divider, my braid divider here. Because my hair is quite thick, I'm not really using like a lot of braiding here. Okay, my laundry is done. I'll hang up that in a bit. Yeah, I'm not using like a lot of braiding here. It's literally like just a small amount. But this is just gonna save me a lot of time this week. To be fair, didn't I have enough wood at work to go to this week? I'm not going. Yeah, I don't think I'm going. Can't be asked. Just gonna leave my hair like this. I'm not going to that wood. So I part with this comb first, and then I go in with this one, and then I try and like straighten things up a little bit.
So nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the talent all I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just want to see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star.
I'm done doing my hair, guys. I think it turned out so good. The back doesn't look that bad when I look at it, only because I've also like wrapped the back around as well, and this is just gonna serve me for this week. Honestly, doing my hair in the morning, it's long, so this is just gonna do me so well. And I think it's like neat enough. These earrings, I had to like change my earring just so it can give me something, you know, but I do like how this looks, especially because I go to the gym as well. This is just perfect. So I'm gonna let this stay for now. I'm done filming the first video that I need to film, like the process of me doing this and whatever. So I'm just gonna clean up like my station now, and then I'm going to pretty much just dive into the rest of the stuff that I need to do. But I wanted to show you my hair, how it looks, like everything all marinated and stuff. I think it looks really cute, and I'm happy that I didn't really take me that long as well, which was perfect. It's been such a busy day filming today. I'm just filming this last video before I stop to get something to eat. I've also done like a makeup video as well. I just have like a little bit of makeup on, which I need to like take off at the end of the day as well. But I'm just finishing up filming. So what I'm basically doing is I've wanted to like organize my skincare a little bit better, so I'm just using the opportunity to like film the process as well. So I just have all the skincare that was in the cupboard, and I'm just gonna like clean up the cupboard and then kind of put them back, so I just have everything laid out there. So that is pretty much what I'm doing now, but I'm getting really hungry. So I'm just gonna hurry up, clean the cupboard and stuff, and then kind of like put things back neatly, and then I can go and get something to eat. I need to make that smoothie as well, 100%, because I really need to build up that calories for the day, you know. I don't want to lose my little gains. So I need to like eat something ASAP. Done organizing my skincare. It looks so much better. Like I've kind of put products at the bottom that I can grab. And then at the top, I kind of put products that I use as well, but more like creams and stuff. Let me answer this. What is that call me? Should time you know? Yeah. I definitely didn't done filming today, but child, I'm hungry. I'm so tempted to order something in. I think I'm gonna do my shake now, and then I might order something in. I'm not too sure what. I haven't had Chinese in a while. I'm trying to find a tripod for this camera. I also need to fold my laundry that's there as well. The day just go by so quick, honestly. So quick. There's a tripod. Right. I'm gonna add some berries. Maybe I can pick out the strawberries and add them. Yeah, let's do that. So I'm just gonna use strawberries, and I'm gonna add some milk. Normally I use almond, but I only have like soy milk because that's the last one that I got. And then I have my mascara. Normally I have to put about 4 scoops to get 500 calories. I don't think I'm gonna put that much. I might put like 2. So I'm gonna do half of that and see how it goes. I might need to add some more. I'm gonna use half for now, and I'm gonna add my glutamine in there. All these added extra stuff like the glutamine, the vitamin C and collagen that I'm going to add as well, these are all unflavored, so it's good to add in like my, you know, protein shake and stuff. And then this is the collagen and vitamin C, which is good. And then creatine as well. I'm just gonna add 1 scoop of this. I need to be a little bit more consistent with this. The girl that I work out with at the gym, my little gym buddy, she gave me this. She worked with bulk and she gets stuff, so she did give me this one. So we both trying this out. I did use creatine before, but I wasn't really paying attention, or I wasn't consistent with it. So both of us kind of like wanted to see how it works. So kind of on this journey. So I'm gonna blend this up now. I'm definitely gonna have to add a little bit more liquid in there, but let's just blend it up for now. I forgot to say the protein shake that I'm using is in the flavor, I think it's vanilla. Yeah, vanilla. So it will give it a little bit of like nice flavor as well, you know. All right, so now that I've blended that up a little bit, still a lot more to blend, by the way. I'm gonna add some peanut butter. I'm gonna add about 2 spoons of peanut butter. That's a lot of peanut butter, but you know what? We need it today, okay? Add in a little bit more milk, and then I'm gonna add another scoop of protein powder. Because remember, we're supposed to add 4 in there. I'm gonna add 3. I'm not gonna add the full 4. This is so nice. But I like for it to be a little bit more watery, so it's easier to drink. So I'm gonna add some more water in it. I'm trying to get some food to eat. I said I was gonna go outside and order, just grab like a pizza from the shop and just put the pizza in the oven and do that. But I don't feel like going outside, honestly. But it looks like I'm gonna have to go outside because I'm trying to download Uber Eats and I can't download it because I don't have any freaking storage on my phone because I fill it up with content today. I don't know why I'm doing this now. I'm like, might as well just do this because I don't have any storage on my phone to film the process anyway. So might as well just do it while I sit down here. So this is the thing that I got today to take my nail off. So I was just gonna like put it over my nail, let it go and do its thing while I order Uber Eats, but that doesn't work, does it? So I'm gonna pop outside and see if I can just grab a pepperoni pizza in the box, a frozen one, and then I'll just have that with a glass of wine and chill. I just got back in, got myself a nice little Coke Zero. I'm about to turn the oven on, preheat it, and put my pizza in. This is a pizza that I got, so I'm gonna have this for dinner. I also want to see if I can find something nice to watch, maybe like a rom-com, you know, something nice and mushy. You think, oh, I could do something like that tonight, or maybe like a detective show. I like that type of show as well. So I'll see what I can find. I'm gonna watch Upgraded on Amazon. I've got my glass of Coke here and my pizza. Might as well just grab the last 2 slices because I don't know what I save them for, because right now I'm super hungry. So I'm gonna, I never have to drop some. I'm gonna have all of the pizza. Drop a pepperoni. This is a show on Amazon Prime. I just look on TikTok, someone says it's good, so I'm just gonna watch that one and see how it goes and have my pizza.